Hello guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. Now in this tutorial I am gonna showing to you how to build a input character count small. This is small project. It's actually very simple project. Basically how it work and what happen. I tell you everything, and just type here anything, webcodecamp, then number are automatically counted and it will increment to work. And what happen uh, in this here. So I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and stay with webcodecamp. Then it will increment this counter, input character counter count, and it will automatically increment. So you will notice this here, when you will space button, click space button, then it will increment. Okay, that's our simple project. It's really simple. At first I will design it, then and I will added the style.css, then I will work the JavaScript functionality. Okay, so I hope I will how I will design it, and I will direction you. So follow the steps. At first I will copy this random hexacolor generator, this project and this project is like that similar. So at first you will go to YouTube and write here webcodecamp. In this is my YouTube channel name. So then at first you will show it, my name is Masud Rana, then you will click on this button, okay, on this name, then you will show it my YouTube channel, then you will go to the hexacolor decimal color code generator. Okay, I will open it, and okay, this is my project. 100 days of Java. Thank you guys. Okay, this is my project, and I will describe everything in this tutorial. So at first you will watch it, and then you will design it. Basically at first I will open in this project, then I will clone this project, and I build this project. Okay, I hope you will understand this. I will open it by the Visual Code Studio. I will write here just cmd, and I will type here code dot. Okay, it will open Visual Code Studio. Then I will click card this notification. Okay, I will open in my index.html file, and I will change this project. I'll write here input character count. Okay, so I will cut this button, then I will run it. Okay, here is button is has gone the here and boostcdn, and at first you have to go Google and write here boostcdn, then getting started. Okay, I will back here, and I'll click here introduction to the Bootstrap 5 and I will click this CSS CDN, copy it, and I will back to in my Visual Code Studio, and I will paste here inside heading tag. Okay, this is my Bootstrap CDN link. Refresh my browser and I will check this. Okay, uh, this looks better now. Okay, and here I will here I will type it, and like that input button, input, oh no, input dot from control, use it hyphen control, then dot from, again control LG. This is the buttons, input buttons class name, and click the enter, hit the enter, and this is our input button. Okay, I'm gonna add it placeholder. Okay, then I will give a class name like that. Sorry, don't take class name. It will be placeholder. Type here. Okay, that's good, and I will refresh this in my browser. Okay, that's the good, and this, and clone this project, then I modify your like that button, input and placeholder, type here. Then I will open in my style.css, and this is the sum code here, and I will skip this because another tutorial like that here. I hope you will watch this. Obviously I will comment this line. Okay, then you will watch it easily, and obviously I will give it in my description below, and you will find it easily. Okay, then I will come here in my script.js, then I'll remove it. Okay, then I will change here. Okay, I'll change this name, count, and here it will be similar, count. Okay, make sure that with semicolon, don't forget it. And here I will change, then I will check in my okay, button name are input, and I will copy it and paste here. Okay, then make sure that you will change it, and make sure that with semicolon. Then I will write here at a simple one simple function, keep up error function like that, input dot add event listener. Okay, then I will create key up event function like that, and here I will make it error function. Okay, that's it, and here I will type here count dot inner HTML equal exactly what can I do in this here. At first I will make it input, then I will convert it value. Okay, value dot length. Okay, and I will change it here because it will default it changes it automatically here. Value no, value. Okay, that's it, and make sure that with semicolon. Okay, that's our code, and make sure that with semicolon, and I will come back here and change it. It will starting like that 0, and I will in my browser and I will refresh it. Okay, I will type here some JavaScript is don't work. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, I will check it again, and actually here I will stick it. So at first make sure that the JavaScript code it's so small, but it will keep up even function. Click even function here, keep up, then it will work. I will come back again in my browser, then I will refresh again. Okay, then I will check it. Okay, it's done, and that's our project. Type here welcome to webcodecamp. Okay, that's our project, and this is the main project, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching this